Are you looking for a Mexican twist to your next summer barbecue? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some carne asada. Carne asada is a Mexican dish. It's actually a grilled steak, and so we're going to be grilling some steaks today. Yummy, I love steak. I have some beautiful 1-pound ribeyes that we're going to be marinating. Cannot wait for these. And let's talk about our ingredients. Carne asada is very, very easy to make. It's just really a marinade for the steaks. So over here, I have a cup of orange juice. I'm actually marinating 4 1-pound steaks. I have a cup of orange juice, a cup of lime juice, 3/4 of a cup of soy sauce, 1 bunch of cilantro chopped, 16 cloves of garlic chopped, 2 tablespoons of chili, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and one of the people that I'm cooking for doesn't like things very spicy, so I'm only putting a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but you can add more if you like things spicier. And a little bit of olive oil. It calls for a lot of olive oil, the recipe, but I don't like a lot of oil, so I'm just going to, just a tiny, tiny bit, just a little bit in here. I'm just going to put a tablespoon of olive oil in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take all of our spices and our garlic. We will take just a little bit of our soy sauce. I just want to get this mixed through and through before I add everything else. Got our soy sauce in, our orange juice in, our lime juice in, and our cilantro. So we got this all mixed up. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put our steaks in. Actually, I'm going to get some gloves. Hold that thought. So we put some gloves on. Basically, we're just going to put our steaks in here. Doesn't that look beautiful? Yummy, yummy. If you're vegetarian, maybe not, but if you're not vegetarian, so you just want these really covered in the marinade. And I'm going to let these marinate probably for about 1.5 hours. I don't want to marinate them too long because the lime juice will start to actually cook the meat, but 1.5 hours should be pretty good. And I will see you in 1.5 hours when it's dinner time. Can't wait. See you in a bit. To go with our carne asada, I am making some mixed grilled vegetables. I have 2 red peppers, 2 yellow peppers, about 1/2 pound of cremini mushrooms, and 2 zucchinis that I've cut up. And I'm gonna make a little marinade. I have a tablespoon of salt, teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro, 3 tablespoons of garlic chopped. I'm gonna put just a tablespoon of olive oil in there. Honey, don't like a lot of oil. And 1/2 cup of lime juice. So mix this all up. Put on our vegetables. Give it a really nice toss. And then I'm gonna take these outside and grill these. And I will show you what they look like when they're done. And they're gonna be going with our steaks. So can't wait. Our steaks have been marinating for about 1.5 hours, and now it's grill time. So I'm gonna put these on We want them cooked medium rare, so we're gonna do about 6 minutes on each side. As far as the rest of the marinade, you just get rid of it. Doesn't really have any other purpose, unfortunately. And I'm gonna flip this over after about 6 minutes, and I will show you what they look like when they're done. See you shortly. I put our steak on a plate, and you can take a look at it. I put it with some yellow rice and our grilled vegetables. And here's our grilled vegetables just on a plate. So one of the most important parts about grilling a steak is once it's done cooking, you have to let it rest. A steak this size, 7 to 10 minutes. If it's thicker than this, even 15 or 20 minutes. But you definitely have to let it rest. It lets all the juices kind of expand, and that way you get a nice juicy steak. So anyway, let's give it a taste. Anyway, cheers. Really, really, really good. You taste the lime juice, you taste the cilantro, you taste the garlic. Really, really great steak. This is a note with this video. Dinner is served. I cannot wait. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear what you like to grill. Thank you so much for watching, and be safe, everyone. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.